video user manual on how to submit your bike traveling expenses. If you have traveled on your own vehicle for any official purpose, please follow the steps. Once you log in to the Zoho expenses application, click on the plus sign on the right bottom, select add mileage, enter the expense date that we have traveled. Click on attach receipt to attach your bike odometer pictures. You can take photo or you can choose it from gallery. We have to take photo of the bike speedometer once we leave a starting point. We have to take one photo of your speedometer, and once we reach the destination we have to take another picture of the speedometer. Switch to odometer tracking should be enabled. Enter the start reading of your odometer, and once we reach the destination, what was the odometer reading, enter that. Once you enter these two details, the distance will auto calculate, and we always have to select a bike as a vehicle, and we have to travel only on bike. There is no four-wheeler. 3 rupees 50 paisa per kilometer, and category will be auto selected, and amount will auto select once we enter the start reading and end reading. Enter the description, why did you travel and where did you traveled. Select customer as DFDT always. Select the project we are working for. Enter the reference number, that is your bike last 4-digit number. Now we have to create a report for the bike traveling expenses. Click on add to report. Click on the plus sign on the right bottom and create a new report. Enter the report name. Select the date range from when to when we have the expenses. Enter the business purpose, why did you travel and where did you traveled. Once these three details is entered, click on save. Now the report has been saved and attached to the expenses. Enter from where to where you have traveled. Once all the details is entered, click on save. Once you save, you will land up on the dashboard and refresh your screen, and you will find that expense under unsubmitted reports on the top center. Click on that and you will find the expenses which is created for bike traveling expenses. Open that, and if you want to submit the expense, click on the submit button on the left side and it will be submitted to your reporting manager. Once your reporting manager approves, it will forward to the accounts team for the reimbursement. If you want to add the another expenses, bike traveling expenses for the same report, come to the dashboard and click on the plus sign on the right bottom. Click on add mileage. Enter the expense date. Attach the odometer images. Enable switch to odometer tracking. Enter the start reading and end reading of your odometer, and the distance and the amount will auto calculate. Enter the description again. Select customer as DFDT. Select the project you are working for. Enter the reference number as your bike number, and again we have to select the same report which we created for bike traveling expenses. Select the report, enter from where to where we have traveled, and click on save, and another expense will add to the same report. And we can again go to the dashboard, refresh the screen and we will find the same report under unsubmitted reports. Open that and open the expenses, open the report and click on submit on the left bottom to submit the expenses for the reporting manager for an approval. Thank you.